for new for producers of the yoga container, yoga packages, who is looking for the solution of IML. What's available today is in SWITEK. You can find this one, 2 cavities of IML solutions for 1 kg bucket, which can be used as the container of both milk and ice cream, and also yogurts. Another IML solution here is 8 cavities cups. This one is small cups for of yogurt cup at with around 200 milliliter. In some areas would be say 200 grams. This one is 4 cavities lids. I think this customer will produce containers both lids and cups in one injection molding machine. We can see here an 8 cavities magazine. This one is robot only, waiting for the installation of the magazines. This one is a special one. It is for the production of bucket, 1 cavities. It seems a bucket of around 15 liters, a large size containers. This one is 8 cavities silicone cartridge tubes, side entry IML solution. Also, this one is a special one. It is also for the production of this one would be 4 liter bucket, around the 4 liter bucket, I think. The specialty of this IML solution is this system integrates the assembly function of the handles. The mold would have the bucket and the handles integrated into one. It is also semi-finished and to be tested before delivery. And also this one is for also it is having the final test before delivery. Also the IML system with the function of handle assembly. That's what available in SWITEK today, and we have more IML solutions on the 2nd floor of this factory. If you have any plan of IML projects, just have a visit of SWITEK. You will see more.